Hello everyone, this is Revathi working as an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology from SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. In my previous videos, we have seen about introduction, what are the network types available in the computer networks and seen about topologies and also OSI reference model. In my today lecture series, we are going to see about physical medium. Physical media provide the connections between network devices that make networking possible between the center and the receiver. Here, the diagram shown in the transmission medium. The transmission medium may be in the form of wired or wireless. Then, transmission medium can be broadly defined as anything that can carry information from source device to destination device in the computer networks. Actually, the transmission medium will be divided into two types. Um, that means guided media, also called as wired transmission medium. Then another one is unguided media, that is called as wireless medium. Then again, the guided media will be divided into three types. These are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, and the unguided media will be divided into three types: radio waves. Let us see about guided media and unguided media separately. First type is guided media twisted pair. Guided media, which are those that provide a continuity from one device to another device, one include twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. Twisted pair, a twisted pair consists of two conductors, normally copper, then each with its own plastic insulation twisted together, as shown in the figure below. Then one of the wires is used to carry signal to the receiver and other one is used for the ground reference. Then again the twisted pair is divided into two types. First one is unshielded twisted pair. Then the second one is shielded twisted pair. Unshielded twisted pair is simply called as UTP. Then shielded twisted pair is otherwise called as STP. Then STP cable has a metal foil or bright mesh covering that encases each pair of insulated conductors. Although metal casing improves the quality of cables by preventing the penetration of noise or crosstalk, it is bulkier and more expensive. Then it is also having some advantages and disadvantages. Then advantage, chief, easy to work with. This fire twisted pair cable can use as digital or analog. Then it is also having some disadvantages: limited bandwidth, data radius 1 megahertz and 100 megabits per second. It is also used for the transmission in the short range of distance, 2 km for digital and 5 km for analog signals. Then the direct relationship between data rate and range. Gigabit will be the Ethernet. Then unshielded twisted pair is the ordinary telephone wire, cheapest, then easier to install, suffers from external interference. Then shielded twisted pair will be a metal braid or sheeting that reduces interference, then more expensive, harder to handle. It is in the form of thick and heavy. Then connectors will be used in this physical medium is RJ45. RJ stands for register jack. The RJ35 is a keyed connector, meaning the connector can be inserted in only one way. Then the coaxial cable. Next type of guided media is coaxial cable. It carries signals of higher frequency ranges than those in twisted pair cable. In part of because two media are constructed quite differently. Instead of having two wires, coaxial having central core conductor of solid or standard wire. The standard wire is usually made upon copper, enclosed in an insulating sheath, which is in turn encased in an outer conductor of metal foil, bright or a combination of two. The outer metallic wrapping serves both as a shield against noise and the second conductor which completes the circuit as shown in the below diagram. Here the plastic cover is covered both insulator and outer conductor and also the inner conductor. Another one layer is insulator. Then the middle layer is outer conductor that is shielded one. Then the inner layer is insulator and the inner conductor will be is also there. Then we will see the next video about next type of transmission medium. Thank you.